Anytype is a powerful all-in-one workspace designed to enhance both personal and team productivity. It allows users to create and organize content effortlessly with a highly customizable interface. Though not as widely known, its strong emphasis on privacy and customization makes it stand out among other productivity tools. Capacities, on the other hand, is a visually appealing knowledge management tool focused on making information easy to organize. Its clean and minimalistic design ensures a simple, clutter-free, and user-friendly experience, even though it may lack some advanced features. Obsidian is a powerful note-taking app built for creating a personal knowledge base. It offers deep customization options, including plugins and visual tweaks, allowing users to shape the app to their workflow. While it has a steep learning curve, it's ideal for those who enjoy structured and detailed note-taking. Notion is a versatile all-in-one platform that combines notes, tasks, databases, and wikis in a single space. It allows users to create detailed pages for various projects, organize them using tags and links, and adapt the workspace to their needs. Although it may take some time to master, Notion excels in flexibility and ease of use. Overall, Notion is best for versatility, Obsidian for deep note-taking, Anytype for privacy, and Capacities for visual customization. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips.